Task 1. Describing what you see. Understand task types. Familiarize yourself with the different types of visual data you may encounter, such as line graphs, bar charts, pie charts, tables, diagrams, maps, etc. Vocabulary expansion. Build your vocabulary related to describing trends, comparisons, proportions, and relationships. Practice using synonyms and varied sentence structures. Manage your time wisely. Set aside approximately 20 minutes for task 1. Practice summarizing visual data within this time frame to increase productivity. Focus on important details. Get skilled at recognizing the primary patterns, contrasts, and noteworthy data in the visual information given. Practice rephrasing and summarizing this information succinctly. Structuring your responses. When planning your response, make sure to include an introduction, overview, and specific details. To ensure that your writing is coherent and cohesive, use appropriate linking words and phrases. Make it a habit to regularly describe visual data from various sources to enhance your analytical and descriptive abilities. Task 2. Composing an essay. Understanding different types of essays. Get familiar with the various types of essays you might come across, including opinion essays, discussion essays, problem-solution essays, and more. Understand the essay prompt completely, identify the task at hand, and brainstorm ideas before beginning to write. Develop your ideas. Get better at coming up with relevant ideas and supporting them with examples, evidence, or personal experiences. Learn how to present balanced arguments and address all parts of the question. Organize your ideas. Map out the structure of your essay with an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Make sure your arguments flow logically and are coherent. Time management tip. Set aside approximately 40 minutes for task 2. Try practicing writing essays within this time limit to enhance your speed and efficiency. Propose. Seek feedback. Receive feedback on your essays from teachers, tutors, or peers. Identify areas for improvement and work on addressing them in future practice sessions. Practice under exam conditions. Simulate exam conditions by practicing writing essays within the allocated time frame and without any external assistance. By following these detailed preparation steps and practicing regularly, you can improve your writing abilities and excel in the writing section of the IELTS exam.